Good morning to you, Jack, and congratulations.
Morning, Deric.
Yeah, great. You said before the match, Jack, you wanted a steady performance, you wanted an even performance. That's exactly what you got yesterday.
Yeah, we got a good performance yesterday, Deric, which is important, the biggest day of the year, to get a good performance. And thankfully it was good enough to get over the line.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you were going into the break there at half-time, 7-point win. What did you say to the team at half-time?
Not too much. That score we got before half-time was a big score. It just put an extra spring in the step going in at half-time. And basically the second half was all about just going out and performing and winning the second half, because teams have collapsed in the second half, as we saw in the hurling there last week. So we were very determined to go out and just keep at it and hoping that get us through.
I mean, this was a massive team performance yesterday. Some people said that this was just a one-man Kerry team, but it clearly wasn't yesterday.
We never believed that, but sure, the media like to hype things up. But David is a very important part of our team, but there's plenty more for us can contribute than they did yesterday.
I mean, 39 All-Irelands in the bag. Are you going to run for 40?
I don't know. No. At the moment, no. I'll tell you, we're trying to recover after a late night. We're kind of shook.
Or an early morning.
We're kind of shook, so we'll have a few cups of coffee and things like that.
Yeah.
We'll straighten ourselves out.
I mean, was Mick O'Dwyer on your mind yesterday, the late great Mick O'Dwyer?
I'm sure, of course, he's never too far from anyone in Kerry's mind because of the record he had and the tradition that he created. So it was when we won it 3 years ago, it was nice to spend a bit of time with him. We got a nice photograph taken with him, but unfortunately he passed away last year. So he's on big days, of course, he's never too far from our mind.
Yeah, absolutely. Of course, you have the big homecoming later on this evening. You have a double one actually, because you're pit stopping in a couple of places. Where are you off to?
Well, we're going to the Kerry Group headquarters there in Naas, first of all, because they're great sponsors. Kerry Group have been fantastic backers of Kerry teams for a long, long time, going back to Tony O'Keefe's time. And I think we're going to Tralee and then Killarney, and it'll be a great night. There'll be a good week.
There won't be a Cowmelton Kerry for a week and a half. I'd say. Come here, you spoke yesterday, last night on the programme. You said a potential retirement on the cards.
Yeah, I will see. That was the plan anyway, and we'll see. But we're shook this morning, so we won't do any more talking about that. No.
I'd love to see you in the Love Island villa. Would you be up for that?
Jesus, no. I don't know all about that.
There we have it.
They want to put a bit of makeup on me with the cut of me this morning.
Jack O'Connor, thank you so much, and a big congratulations and best of luck. All right, there we have it. Jack O'Connor, the All-Ireland winning champion, Kerry Manager. We never know, he could end up in the Love Island villa. Thank you guys. It's studio.
Huge congratulations to Jack.
There we go, Jack.
God love him.
Doesn't even know what the Love Island villa is.
I wish we had seen Jack's reaction as the lift doors were opening because he was coming down for reception this morning. And there's Deric with the microphone right there. Fair play to him and congrats.